The peace lily spathiphyllum is a popular houseplant known for its beautiful white flowers and lush green leaves. Here are some care tips and benefits of having a peace lily. Care. 1. Light. Place your peace lily in low to medium indirect sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. 2. Watering. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Peace lily prefer to be slightly moist but not soggy. 3. Humidity. They thrive in higher humidity, so consider misting the leaves or placing the pot on a tray of water with pebbles. 4. Temperature. Keep the plant in a warm environment, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. 5. Fertilization. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Benefits of peace lily. 1. Air purification. Peace lily are known to improve indoor air quality by removing toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene. 2. Aesthetic appeal. Their striking flowers and rich foliage add beauty to any space, enhancing interior decor. 3. Easy care. Peace lily are relatively low-maintenance plants, making them great for beginners. 4. Stress reduction. Having indoor plants, including peace lily, can reduce stress and boost mood. By following these care tips, your peace lily can thrive and continue to provide benefits for your home and well-being. 11 ways to get your peace lily to bloom. 11 ways to get your peace lily to bloom. Getting your peace lily to bloom can be rewarding. Here are 11 tips to encourage flowering. 1. Provide adequate light. Place the peace lily in bright, indirect light. While they can tolerate low light, they are more likely to bloom with sufficient light. 2. Maintain optimal temperature. Keep the plant in a warm environment, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature changes. 3. Water correctly. Water the peace lily when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can stress the plant, inhibiting blooming. 4. Increase humidity. Peace lily enjoy humidity. Increase humidity around the plant by misting it regularly or placing it on a pebble tray with water. 5. Fertilize properly. Feed your peace lily with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer, to promote growth and blooms. 6. Repot when necessary. If the roots are crowded, consider repotting into a slightly larger pot with fresh soil. This can help rejuvenate the plant and encourage blooming. 7. Prune regularly. Remove dead or yellowing leaves to allow the plant to focus energy on producing flowers instead of maintaining unhealthy foliage. 8. Avoid stress. Minimize stress factors such as moving the plant frequently or exposing it to extreme conditions, as stress can hinder blooming. 9. Patience. Sometimes, peace lily need time to establish before they bloom. Be patient and continue caring for the plant. 10. Check for pests. Inspect your peace lily regularly for pests like spider mites or aphids, which can affect its health and ability to bloom. Treat any infestations promptly. 11. Seasonal adjustments. Peace lily often bloom in the spring or summer, so be mindful of the seasonal changes and adjust light and watering routines as needed. By following these tips, you can create the ideal conditions for your peace lily to produce its beautiful blooms.